we're going to take a look at how to reset the maintenance reminders that appear within the vehicle information display on the 2014 up to 2017 model year Q50 sedan. This maintenance other reminder is one of the few maintenance reminders that you'll see within this screen. They'll also include things like your tire rotation and then the oil change. Not every shop resets this reminder in here. Some do, some don't, but primarily this should be the one that you focus on. To reset the maintenance reminder that you see in here, you'll want to utilize the secondary in-touch screen located below your navigation screen, or if your vehicle's not equipped with navigation, just the vehicle information screen located there. So what we'll do to begin is we're going to go to our settings icon located on the right. So we'll touch that. When we get into the settings icon, depending on your vehicle's equipment, you should see meter. This particular car has navigation, so there's going to be some extra icons in here that other vehicles may not have. But for the time being, we're going to select the meter icon. When we select meter, we're brought to another sub-menu. What we'll look at here, and as you can see, the second item is maintenance. So we'll select maintenance. When we select maintenance, you're going to notice three categories: oil and filter, tire, and other. And then of course to the right hand side we see a bunch of denotation markers for mileages, and then little bars that fill up. So in order to reset the reminder, since we have the maintenance other reminder, we'll go ahead and select other. As you can see, for this example, the distance has only been set to 1,000 miles. So since the bar has already exceeded the 1,000-mile marker, the reminder that you see here inside the display has now illuminated. To clear it out, what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and select reset distance. So once we reset the distance in here, and then we use our back arrow at the top, you'll notice now the little bar has not filled. However, you'll notice here, we still have the maintenance other reminder. Even as we cycle through, now we've got it cleared out. So you can go in this menu to adjust the maintenance settings if you wish. So for example, if we select oil and filter, it's set at 5,000 miles. And then of course, for tire, we have it also set at 5,000 miles, and we can select to turn on the notification and alerts that will receive that main display screen. For other, we'll want to go ahead and instead of having that set at 1,000, you'll want to set that at 15,000 miles. And then once you have it set to the marker that you wish, it's going to remain there until you physically go into this menu and change it to another setting. So since we have it set at 15,000 now, we'll push the back arrow, we'll push it one more time, and then now everything has been saved and we no longer have the maintenance other reminder when you start your vehicle or you're in motion.